Good morning, my dear students. This is your computer teacher, Amar Kaushik, and today this is the second part of the chapter 3rd of your computer book, that is Advanced Features of Excel. Today I will tell you so many options. Okay, so let's start with the option combo chart. How can we create a combo chart in MS Excel? So I have already made a record. You just have to select the record and then click on the insert tab, and you will see there is an option combo chart. Just click on the option, and here you will see a option create custom combo chart. Just click on that, and you will see a dialog box will appear on the screen. Okay dear students, now here you will see two options: chart type, clustered column and line. The default option clustered column will be there, and in the line option you just have to click on the drop down list and select line with marker option, and you have to click on the checkbox, then click on OK option, and your combo chart will be appeared on the screen. ये combo chart आपके screen पर appear हो जाएगा. Now here you will see some designs of the chart. By click on that design, you can change the designs of the chart also. Okay dear students, that's how we can create the combo charts. Okay, now there's one more thing, that is spark lines. How can we create spark lines in our database? What is a spark line actually is? Spark lines are mini charts that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of the data. एक चार्ट जब आप बनाते हो वो बहुत बड़ा चार्ट एरिया को फिल कर देता है, बट स्पार्क लाइंस में आप क्या कर सकते हो, बहुत ही मिनी चार्ट्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हो दैट विल फिट इनसाइड अ सेल ओनली. आपकी एक सेल के अंदर एक चार्ट फिल हो जाता है. ओके, सो फॉर दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू select only the record, not the field names. These are called field names, but you have to select only the record. After that, you just have to click on the insert button, and here you will see a option lines in the spark line groups. Just click on the lines option, and you will see a dialog box will appear on the screen. Now the data range has been automatically filled from A2 to the C5. जहाँ तक आपने डेटा को सेलेक्ट किया है वहाँ तक आपकी डेटा रेंज ऑटोमेटिकली फिल हो जाएगी. Now you just have to select the location range where you want to add the spark lines. I want to add spark lines here. You just have to select the cells, and you will see the address of the cells has been automatically filled, and then click on OK option, and you will see the spark lines in your record. आपको ये spark lines appear हो जाएंगे आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर. It's okay dear students, I hope you can understand. Okay, so okay dear students, so the next option is using goal seek. How can we use goal seek? Okay, now I have already made a record here. You just have to select the total option. Here you can see the roll number, names, the subject numbers, and the marks of Hindi subject. Now you just have to total all the numbers. तो आपको क्या करना है, you just have to select Hindi, English, marks, and then you have to select the cells under the total option. After that, here you will see a option auto sum. just click on the auto sum option and the total will be appeared of the marks. यहाँ पे आपके सारे मार्क्स का टोटल हो जाएगा. Now here I have made a option presentation, percentage. आपको परसेंटेज कैसे ऐड करनी है? So you just have to type formula, and in MS Excel a formula starts with equal to sign. Okay, then E2 divide by 2. Okay, and then you just have to use autofill option and drag the mouse button and you will see the percentage. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to do select the data tab. Here you will see the data tab and select what if analysis. You have to select what if analysis option. Okay, here you will see a option goal seek. Just select the option goal seek and the goal seek dialog box will appear on the screen. Okay, so in the set cell text box, define the cell address E5 G3. Here we have select, and if you want to select E5, you will see the cell address. It is automatically be updated. Okay, now if you want to change the value 150, आपको यहाँ से 150 वैल्यू को चेंज करना है, and if you want that the table, you just have to click on the E5 where I have written 150. Okay, then click on what if analysis option and then click on goal seek. You will see the cell address has been automatically updated. If you want to change the value 150 to 200, okay, now by changing cell means आप कौन से सेल का वैल्यू चेंज करना चाहते हो कि आपका जो सम होगा वो चेंज हो जाएगा 150 to 200. If I want to change this, okay, if I want to change this, the 60, and I will click on OK option, you will see now the total will be 200 and the cell which was 60, it has been updated into 110 and the percentage has also been updated. गोल सीक का मेन फीचर यही होता है कि if you want to change or if you want to update the marks or the total, it can change the percentage and it can change the whole data which is related to that particular cell. Okay dear students, now I will tell you about data consolidation. Here I have already made a record in 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay dear students, so let's start. What is a data consolidation? Data consolidation क्या करता है? It consolidate or combine the data of multiple worksheets in a single cell or the selected cells. आपके शीट 1 और शीट 2 के डेटा को कंसोलिडेट करने के बाद या फिर ऐड करने के बाद it will automatically fill the sheet 3 empty cells. Okay dear students, so I will tell you how to consolidate the data. First of all, you just have to select the cells where you want to insert the consolidation data. जहाँ पे आपको consolidate data को enter करना है, you just have to select those cells. Okay dear students, now you just have to click on the data tab and here you will see a option consolidate. Just click on that and here you will see a dialog box. You just have to click on the sheet 1 tab and select the values. Here you will see the whole address of the sheet 1 has been updated. Then click on add option. Okay dear students, now again click on sheet 2 and select the data or select the values. Here you will see sheet 2 and the address of the cells which we have selected. Then again click on add option. Okay, and then click on OK option. You will see the consolidate data has been added to the sheet 3. Sheet 1, January Honda City 450. Sheet 2, January Honda City 900. If you add those values, it will be 1350. And here you will see in sheet 3 the values 1350. That's how the data consolidation works in MS Excel. Okay dear students, that's all for today. Thank you.